Get yourself some good tunes, some juice, and a reliable ride. We have planned a vacation. Welcome, and you are watching Technology Zone, where the home of technology resides. If you're stuck at home for whatever reason, you may boost your health and decorate your computer with some helpful tools. Number 1. Platypod. Okay, so you're no longer a beginner and are ready to take your photography to the next level. If a regular tripod is too cumbersome, this Platypod might help. This is a plate made of aircraft-grade aluminum that is just 0.20 inches thick. It has a fused titanium 3/8-inch bolt in the middle so that it can be used with a tripod head. And it has 4 spring-loaded metal hinges, which serves as the legs. Rubber tips are attached to the other end of the 2.25-inch stainless steel spikes, making these legs suitable for usage on both flat and slanted surfaces. It's now possible to carry your bulky camera equipment without worrying about it falling over. Want some more illumination? Affix it to the plate. If the camera has to be hung from a tree, you can do that. Make advantage of the belt that was provided. What? You're going to have to move it? Use the keeper and then attach it to your bag using the carabiner when you're not using it. Number 2. Document camera. Is there a way to enlarge the image in the book? I have to go take a look at some of those animals more closely. Here is a lovely multicolored camera that may be used for a wide range of purposes. Simply connect the camera to your TV or projector through HDMI. The next moment you want to examine every little detail, you might benefit from seeing the image in a different hue. Fine, use the integrated LED light or one of the filters to adjust the illumination level. Thanks to the design's adaptability, the cam may be rotated to any angle and placed anywhere you choose. Its little stature further reduces its already minimal profile. You may use the icons on the body for anything from showing off your work to showing off some important documents. After all that, you may use the camera as a webcam over your Zoom meetings by plugging it into your laptop through USB. Number 3. Paper shoot camera. Down in the dumps about taking vintage-style images in movies but don't feel like lugging around a heavy camera? In the world of skinny cams, here's one that has a really sweet vintage touch. This camera, like most of its type from the past, is powered by a set of AA batteries. To activate the camera or start taking pictures, just click the shutter button on the bottom of the unit. Choose from one of 4 available filters to add some flair to your shots. If you make videos, then a time-lapse feature may be helpful, right? Oh, and the magnetic lenses that come with the set enable you to capture pictures with a wide angle, a macro lens, a radio effect lens, and 6 prism pegs. Moreover, you may personalize your camera with one of several eco-friendly covers. Number 4. Fixed Lion NanoPower Bank. This FX Lion V-mount battery may be tiny in stature, but it packs a strong 50-watt output power and up to 8 amps of operating current. Incredible! That's a lot of effort for something so little. One tap and many USB ports mean you can easily power almost any electronic item, whether it is a laptop or studio equipment. A built-in LCD displays the current as well as the battery level, allowing you to charge it at the optimal time. And all the connectors have covers to protect them from dust and water. It's great! However, what if you need even more juice? Number 5. Anzine Energy Block. Now look at this. Even if this brick seems to be larger, it can simultaneously charge many devices, including a portable fridge, drone, camera, and a laptop. Having doubts? Can you charge your e-scooter or e-bike at home and then take a leisurely ride across the city? When used with Anzine, your mobility will skyrocket. At the end of the day, it can withstand a significant amount of use and has many charging options. Number 6. Bagleti Suitcase. The long waits on uncomfortable airport benches. I don't care if they charge you for a 5-star experience in the airport's 2-star hotel. You can transform this Bagleti luggage into a comfortable sleeping or seating option in just a few easy steps. Ideal for those long hours spent waiting at an airport, you can now get some work done or catch up on your favorite show. The greatest part is that the cover, which is stuffed, may be used as a mattress so you can rest comfortably while you wait. Plus, this one-of-a-kind luggage has a built-in power bank that can be connected to both USB-C and Lightning devices. Thus, you can relax knowing that your device's battery life will never be an issue at the airport or while in flight. In addition, the suitcase may be compacted with a single click thanks to the wheel folding mechanism. It's okay, you can accomplish that technique without removing any garments. Number 7. Muji Monitor Stand. Is it time to clean up your office? There may be a solution to this monitor stand. To begin with, it can be folded up to take up very little room when not in use. And second, It lifts your screen so that you may work in a more upright position. You may utilize the additional space beneath the desk to stow your keyboard, some documents, and other office supplies. To have everything in one tidy drawer is ideal for the workplace. Do not try to tell us that the RGB lighting and the built-in phone stand are not nice touches. Number 8. Vessi Shoes. Have you ever tried on a pair of Moses Effect sneakers? No? Well, a few sneakerheads on the Vessi team have developed a novel technique for making their shoes watertight. But that's a topic for later. You won't believe how light the shoes are until you've actually held them. It's no surprise that if something is simple for your hands, it'll be much less of a challenge for your feet. You probably wouldn't feel like you're in chains all day no matter how much walking around the city you have to do for work or errands. Well, I saw it coming. It has no surprises or disappointments at all. Thanks to the shoe's pliability, your feet may move about in relaxing comfort. The shoe's biggest advantage is that they are waterproof, so let's revisit that. Are you interested in checking out a nearby fountain in search of a spare change? Okay then, this sneaker is up to the challenge. Not even your socks are in danger. The close proximity of the fibers makes it hard for water to penetrate. This is true regardless of your color. Your regular shoes will do just fine for this technique. Spoiler alert, your ordinary shoes will fail. New York's puddles had no effect on the confidence these Vessis give us. Seeking a similar experience? Get it while you can. Number 9. Lapgear Lab Test. This modern and practical laptop desk is a great investment for your home office. First off, the surface is enormous, accommodating laptops of up to 15.6 inches in width. A specialized ledge prevents your laptop from rolling off the desk. Then, there is a special spot for your mouse and a slot for your phone that works in both horizontal and vertical orientations. Finally, the desk is available in a wide selection of designs to suit anyone's taste, and it has a twin bolster cushion at the base to make your working environment more comfortable than before. Number 10. LapLock. This is a cold, hard reality. You don't want to be one of the 53 people whose computers are stolen every second throughout the globe. The LapLock, a portable anti-theft gadget that fits in a shirt pocket, will protect your laptop from robbery wherever you go. This handy device packs a 100 decibel alert into a tiny package. Basically, you only have to attach the arm to your gadget, then insert it inside the LapLock's mouth and activate it. Have a cup of coffee with me right now. Enter your 3-digit PIN number to turn off the alarm when you return. Feel more at ease leaving your laptop unsupervised in a public office. Number 11. MScreen. The amount of information that requires its own dedicated space remains constant regardless of the size of your display. Screen, thankfully, is capable of facilitating this. It supports both portrait and landscape orientations with a resolution of 1920 by 770 and a 32 by 9 aspect ratio. For true color representation from every angle, the display is entirely laminated with a super clear IPS panel. Connect the gadget to your computer's display through a standard monitor cable, and you'll be ready to get to work. Desire a bigger screen resolution? Okay. Plan on using it independently as a board? Not a thing. It also serves as an equalizer and digital clock, and that's not even the whole list of its capabilities. Rather than keeping a journal or post-it notes on your computer, you may use this instead. Expecting this cuteness to go into mass production soon. Number 12. Doka Smart Mouse. Get to know the mouse that brings a new order to your work. Just hook it to your PC or Mac and load up the desktop with frequently used apps like Chrome, Photoshop, and Lightroom. Simply raise your hand, point to the desired shortcut, click it, and return to your work. It's very neat because when you actually want to use the mouse, the touch screen turns off, and the clicking buttons light up. Additionally, a smart console is incorporated for your convenience. You may adjust the level of darkness, brightness, and contrast in your films and still images using its rotating knobs. In the end, neither gadget will die from a lack of power. They may be recharged with a specialized mousepad. Number 13. UB Plus Speaker. These UB Plus speakers are great for content makers, home theaters, and the like, since their 4.5-inch woofer and 1.1-inch tweeter provide audiophile quality sound. Want to see a flick with me? Up to 8 UB Plus devices may be synced over Bluetooth V5.3 for immersive surround sound. The bass rhythms will be thumping in your ears from every speaker. Want to move the party outside? The gadget may be mounted on a stylish tripod for usage around the house, and it also features 2 separate strap attachment points for portability. You get to decide. Lastly, it's protected from pool water splashes and other mishaps with a waterproof shell. Number 14. Clicko Brushing System. Before you start cleaning things, you have no idea how filthy your gadgets really are. You won't even have to break a sweat with the help of Clicko Cube. It comes equipped with 8 brushes specifically designed to clean your computer, keyboard, AirPods, and other small, hard-to-reach electronic devices. To what extent do these things impress you? Since the cube is detachable, you may select the specific brushes you'll be using most often. Number 15. Capsule Gravity Timer. Certain tasks need punctual execution. Whatever it is you're looking for, a new fitness routine, a new hobby, or even simply a new spaghetti dish. To keep track of time while multitasking, try using this capsule-shaped Pomodoro timer. The gadget can be used with little effort. Flipping it on will start a timer for 25 minutes. Need a little more time? Start a timer and make sure you can listen to the buzzer when it goes off. Take advantage of the 5-minute break and go over to the coffee shop for a mug. In fact, you may use the gadget as a countdown timer in the kitchen. I'm thinking of homemade spaghetti. Then, when it's time to let go, the watch switches to a stopwatch. Oh, you've realized one of your portable gadgets is ready to take it easy? Capsule Gravity may be used as a rechargeable energy source. Number 16. Zeppy Speaker. Your moodiness is palpable. A relaxing sound bath might do you good. Indeed, you are correct. Get to know the talk show host who can take a hit for you. True, Bon Golf Acoustics lent their ears to the development of the Zeppy Speaker. There are 6 distinct profiles available. Use them to host a dance party or just to kick back and let the music's waves wash over you. Is someone having a nice picnic in the park? Connect as many as 8 speakers to fill your room with sound. By the way, you can do the same thing while viewing a film. Is there a get-together along the water? You can submerge the gadget in water, and it will even float. Number 17. SeedZ Relief Kit. How to treat persistent physical discomfort? SeedZ has the potential to promote health, decrease stress, and alleviate pain in any area where such benefits are desired. The kit consists of 2 parts that provide aromatherapy, far-infrared treatment, and thermal therapy all in one. To treat an area with aromatherapy, you need only apply a pad to it and relax. Then, connect the devices, choose the appropriate mode and amount of intensity, and click the button. They won't come off, so relax. Return to your regular routine, but don't neglect your medical checkups. Number 18. SMA Circle S1. Be cautious. Put on protective headgear due to the fact that the SMA Circle S1 foldable e-bike is a formidable machine. Despite its small size, it can go up to 13 miles at a rapid 13 miles per hour. Reach the final destination or ETA. The fleet can be folded in 5 easy steps and carried with you. It's really portable and light. Moreover, the smart bicycle communicates with your mobile app to keep you informed. You can see how much power is left on the bike's battery, change the speed, toggle settings, and lock and unlock it. The SMA Circle S1 is as reliable as it is useful because of its responsive electronic brakes. What better car could there be for someone living in the city? At this point, I'm sure we can all recall a time when we tried to get a piece of technology but couldn't do so. Let's discuss it in the comment box below. What technology do you think would be the next one to be on the lead? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more weekly stuff like this and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And again, this is Technology Zone. See you guys in the next one.